Hello, ma'am.
Audible, Srivatsa?
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, did you practice the previous concepts which we discussed in last class?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
So today we have to solve questions. Okay, so what is the atomic weight of carbon?
Carbon atom. Wait. Carbon, elderly.
Yeah,
12, ma'am.
very good. Atomic weight of chlorine.
Chlorine. Metal is 32.
Chlorine. This is an exceptional case we discussed. What is chlorine
Okay.
atomic number?
Oh, sorry, 34, ma'am.
What is atomic number of chlorine?
17.
17. I told you it is 35.5. This is
Oh,
exception.
35. I forgot.
Yeah, no problem. Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. 14. That also exception.
Yeah, very good. Hydrogen.
One only.
Very good. Okay, so let's discuss questions, NCRT questions.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm.
so will you solve?
Yeah, solve.
Okay. Write down the formula of magnesium hydroxide. So I'll be giving you charges. You tell me formulas of this compound. So let's start timer. Should I start timer?
Mm.
So I gave you 4, right? So you have to solve in 4 minutes. What do you think?
Solve in 4 minutes.
Yeah, time starts now. Solve all at a time and later we can discuss.
Mm.
Okay, I'll give you like 5 minutes, not 4, 5 minutes.
We have the formulas. What's the name? Explain what? What is the answer? 14 plus 17. Beginning faster.
Only 4 minutes left. 3 more minutes.
Ma'am, can I tell the first answer?
Yeah. No, no, all at a time. 3 more minutes. 2.5 minutes.
Two, three.
Last 40 seconds.
Yeah, okay.
Last 10 seconds.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. One more.
Okay. Very good. Tell me.
First one is 48 plus 15. Ma'am, it's 53.
What I asked Srivatsa, what I told to do,
What is it?
you have to write formulas for this. I gave you ions.
Hmm.
What is formula? How to write formula with the arrows? You have to do like this.
Hmm.
So you did molecular weight calculations
Hmm.
for all?
For already.
For all you did at molecular weight?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now please do formulas. You know the method, right? How to do formula?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
please.
the 2 will come to the right side.
Yeah, yeah.
And then the minus will come to the left side.
Yeah, yeah. So do in that way and tell me what is formula of each.
First one will be like Mg minus OH2. Ma'am, first one answer got.
Mg?
Mg minus.
Do you get charged? You have to check this. The
No, I'll
number.
tell you, Mg, ma'am, the answer is OH2 Mg minus 1.
MgOH taken twice. No minus charges. Only we see the number what is given. No minus or plus.
So it is just MgOH2, MgOH2.
Taken twice. Yeah. What about this?
Dance, I'll tell you. The answer is SNA2. Na2S.
Na2X. Okay, next.
Na2. Na2 O minus. O. It's just an O. Na2O.
Yes, very good. Na2.
Al minus Cl3. No,
AlCl3.
AlCl3.
Okay. Can you give me like 2 minutes?
Yes.
Formula set the weight transition.
No.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so it is AlCl. Very good. Srivacha. Let's see one more question. See, actually in exam, you don't get the charges given to you. So you have to make your own charges. For that, you need to know that each element belongs to which group. Let me show you. Okay, so if this is the periodic table, so in this, if any element belongs to the first group, this is first group, this is second group, This is 3A, 4A. You can see groups are like top to bottom are considered as groups. Okay. So the element whichever present in the first group, you have to show the charge as +1. What you have to show? Charge as +1. For second group elements, you have to show charge as +2. 2A group elements. For 3A group elements, charge is +3. For 4A group elements, it is +4 or -4. 5 is -3, 3 -2 -1 minus. See how the charge is depending from 1, it is increasing till 4A group elements and then it is decreasing. This is the way you need to check the element charge. So if you know the periodic table, then you can check the charge easily. Okay. So if the question is given as magnesium oxide, what is given in the question? Magnesium oxide is given. For this, they want you to write the chemical formula. Okay. So they want you to write the chemical formula. So what is magnesium? Check in the periodic table where magnesium is. So magnesium is present here. Can you see the magnesium? It is present here. So belongs to which group? 2A group. For 2A
2A
group,
group
see the charge +2.
plus
So
2.
write Mg and write +2. So charges are not given to you in the exam. You need to find charge from the periodic table. For that you need to memorize. It's okay. Now you are in lower standards, that's fine. But in higher standards, you have to memorize everything. Like element belongs to which group, what should be the charge. Next you have oxide. Nothing but oxygen. So see oxygen where it is in the periodic table. Here there is oxygen. Belongs to which group? 6A group. For 6A group, what?
Oxygen belongs to groups.
Sorry.
6A group. It belongs to 6A group.
Yeah, 6A group. And what should be charge on 6A group? It is 2 minus. Understand? Now
Yes.
from the charges, we write formula as MgO. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. If they ask you to write sodium chloride formula. What formula? Sodium chloride. So tell me sodium, where sodium is present?
Sodium.
Yeah, where sodium is present?
Ma'am, it is present in 1A.
1A. Very good. So 1A, what should be the charge on sodium?
Na1.
Plus,
-1. -1. +1.
yeah, I have mentioned here +1. And then you have chlorine. So chlorine belongs to which group?
Chlorine. Chlorine belongs to 17A. So it will be
7. Yeah, it should be minus
-17.
-1. Okay, charge is -1. So now tell me what is the formula?
Formula. The formula is Na1Cl1.
NaCl. So we don't show 1 and 1. Okay, clear. Let's see NCERT questions. So you have to write formula of aluminium chloride. Okay, aluminium chloride. So check from the periodic tables. I'm adding periodic table here. You can check. Shall I add charges? +1, +2, +3, +4 or -4, 3 minus, 2 minus, 1 minus or minus. Yeah, tell me for aluminium chloride, what are the symbols present?
Aluminium chloride.
Yeah.
Al,
What
stands
is
up.
charge?
I'm finding. So for the charge of Al will be plus. So Al3
3 plus, very good.
plus. So it will be 13.
Yeah, okay, okay.
3
Then
3 plus for
chlorine,
chlorine. For chlorine it will be -1. Minus. One.
minus. Okay,
And
so formula would be
AlCl3.
very good. AlCl3. Okay, next question, NCERT question. You have to write sodium sulfide formula. Sodium sulfide. Okay, now tell me symbols of each.
Sodium. And if for an A it will be for an A it will be 1A, so it will be plus 1 charge.
Very good.
So Na1
Yeah.
plus 1,
Okay, plus
and then it will
1.
be for sulfide is a what Su.
Sulfur. It is S. Okay.
For a sulfide it is a let me see.
Hmm.
Sulfur. Two is not visible here. Oh, yes. It is visible, so it will be -2.
Very good.
Na2 and for it will be no, so it will be Na2S1. Yes.
Yes, perfect. Okay. Now let's see how to count number of atoms. Now tell me in H how many atoms are there?
H in H there's a one only.
One only. Very good. What about H2?
H2, two atoms.
What about H2O?
It will be like two, three.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay,
What?
perfect.
I'm
Very good.
correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, 3. So now the question is how many atoms are present in how many atoms are present present in H2S. First one is H2S, second one PO4 3 minus ion. Okay. Now tell me in H2S how many atoms are there?
H2S,
Hmm.
3.
Very good. What about PO4 3 minus?
So it will be like 4. Seven.
Count again.
I'll tell you. So for PO there's 4.
How? What are the atoms present in PO4 3 minus? What are the elements present?
Potassium, oxygen.
P for potassium.
So K is potassium. So P is for like P. P is like
P is phosphorus.
phosphorus. Oh P.
Okay, how many phosphorus
Phosphorus.
are there?
One phosphorus.
Very good.
So
How many
five.
5. So answer is going to be 5. Okay,
Yeah,
clear.
clear.
Okay. Next we are going to find molecular weights. So calculate your favorite question. Calculate molecular mass of following. First one H2. Tell me what is the molecular mass of H2?
Two.
Very good. Then O2.
So it will be like so 7 is an oxygen is an exception number now, so it will be only 14.
Oxygen is exception number.
Oh, oxygen, I thought nitrogen, so it will be 62. It will be 32.
Very good. 2 into 16 is 32. Perfect. Next, Cl2.
Pl2,
Hmm.
35.5. 2 into 35.5.
Hmm. Okay.
Just a second, ma'am. 70.5, I'm saying.
How much?
I mean 75.
75
No, 0.5, I mean.
71.
I don't know what the 0.5, but
Okay, it is 71. So there is point 0.5, you're dividing 2 times, so you'll get 0. So 71.0 will be the value. Okay, next one, CO2.
$44.
Very good. So you're doing in your mind. Perfect. Not using pen and paper also. CH4.
So that is hydrogen, right, ma'am? H4.
Yes.
So it will be one in. I'll tell in my mind.
Mhm.
16 only.
Perfect. It is 16. Next, C2H6.
Okay. This is like 30, ma'am.
Very good. C2H4.
Okay. So this will be. This time it is like C2H4. So it will be. It will be. This time it will be 28.
8. What is it?
I didn't say 38, 28.
Yeah, you're correct. Next, NH3. NH3.
NH3. So it will be.
Hmm.
Nitrogen is an exception number, no? Nitrogen.
Yeah.
So it will be like 17 only.
Very good. Next, CH3OH.
CH3OH. Okay.
Yes.
So it will be. Just a second. Fifth. 32.
32. Very good. Okay. Next, you have few more. ZNO. I think zinc I didn't memorize you, right? I been doing that. So zinc is 65.
Atomic number.
Weight. Atomic weight is 65.
Okay. So it will be like. I'll tell you.
How much?
So it will be, I'll tell you.
65 plus
83.
65 plus 16 is how much? 83?
I didn't I calculated from my mind, I mean.
Yeah, it is 81. Okay.
14
Next,
plus.
Na2O.
Oh, 40, sir. I'll tell you. Ma'am, I forgot. You forgot something.
Who
It
forgot?
is 65 plus 16 plus even oxygen you forgot.
Yeah, oxygen is 16. Zinc
16.
is
You forgot something, 14.
what? No, it is
I
zinc.
thought I thought
Zinc.
I thought Z is for zinc and N is for nitrogen
No,
separately.
no.
I
Zn
got
is zinc. If nitrogen, it will be shown as capital N. Zn, like zinc it is, and this is oxygen. Okay.
yeah.
Next, Na2O.
So it will be 30 plus 48, ma'am.
No.
No, I'm telling you, ma'am, it is like Na, so 2 into. So it will be like 22 plus
2 into what is atomic weight?
16. 22 plus 16.
Atomic weight of sodium is 23.
Oh,
2
23.
into 23 plus 16, that is 46
So 2
plus
into
16.
23.
Yeah, it is 62. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one, K2CO3.
K2. Ma'am, actually, in NA is like 11, no? So 11 plus 2
11
into
is
11.
atomic
11,
number.
11 plus 11. I'm not saying that. 11 plus 11,
Yeah.
22. It is 22, ma'am.
Yeah, 11 is odd number, right? If it is odd number, you have to add 1.
Oh.
11 is odd number. In case of odd number, you need to double and you have to add 1. So it becomes 23.
Hmm.
Clear?
Hmm.
Yeah. Now K2CO3. Potassium is how much?
Potassium is like 20, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
1999, ma'am.
Potassium atomic number is?
Can you tell me?
Potassium. Calcium 19.
Calcium is 20. What about
Yeah.
potassium?
19, I mean. I'm
Yeah,
saying.
yeah, 19. If potassium is 19, then atomic weight must be?
But 90. So 38 plus 1, 39.
Very good. So 2 into 39 plus
Plus, I'll tell you. 1 into
1 into
12.
12. Very good. Plus
3 into
3 into
16.
16. Okay. Tell me value.
Ma'am, let me tell.
Mhm.
– 136, ma'am.
It is 138.
What?
This 2 into 39 is 78 plus 12 plus 16 threes are 48. You can count. It is going to be 138. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, S8. Molecular weight of S8 molecule.
8 into 35.5, ma'am.
Sulfur is 35.5.
No, sulfur 17 है तो वो chlorine. Ma'am, let me tell you now. 8 into 32.
Very good. So that gives you
256.
256. Perfect. Next, H and O3.
62.
How much? 62.
Oh, let me tell you.
Mhm.
One. Let me just 14 plus.
1
Oh,
plus
sorry, 52 ml.
8 plus 16 threes are 48. So that gives 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 3.
Oh, it's plus side. I didn't know.
It is 63. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in NCRT, there is a one question like where you need to know some compound formulas like quicklime is there, baking powder is there which you use, baking powder. Baking powder you use in like generally in making cake. So what is the formula of baking powder? So those formulas you need to memorize. So there are four compounds given to you. First one is quicklime. This quicklime. Second one, hydrogen bromide. Third, baking powder. Next, potassium sulfate. Okay. So quicklime formula is going to be CaO, which is calcium oxide. Hydrogen bromide is HBr. Baking powder is NaHCO3, which is sodium bicarbonate. You can also call it as. Next, potassium sulfate is K2SO4. So these are the formulas. Now we have to tell that what are the elements present in each. So in case of calcium oxide, tell me which elements are combining to form CaO. What are the elements present in CaO?
CaO. Calcium oxygen.
Calcium and oxygen. Very good. What about HBr?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Br for
Barium.
bromine.
Bromium. Bromine.
Okay. Bromine. Okay, next.
Next one is a sodium
Sodium. Very.
hydrochloric acid. No,
Tell
I
me
mean
which
hydrogen.
element.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Okay.
And then carbon. No,
Very good.
and then oxygen.
Oxygen. Yes, perfect. Next.
Potassium
potassium,
uh, for sulfur oxygen.
sulfur, oxygen. Very good. Okay. So we discussed the concept of polyatomic ions. So do you remember what is the definition of polyatomic ions, Srivatsa?
Yeah.
Please tell me what are polyatomic ions?
Positive ions.
No, not positive. Polyatomic. Poly stands for many, atomic for atoms. So
So
many
many atoms. Polyatomic stands for
ions.
many ions.
Yeah. So we have to give examples for it. We have to define what are polyatomic ions and give examples. Okay. So polyatomic ions are a group of atoms, and we are telling ion. Ion means there is a charge on it. So there are many atoms which are having charge. So those are considered as polyatomic ions. A group of atoms, a group of atoms carrying a charge behaving like, so there are group of atoms still all together behave like a single compound, like not compound, single entity behaving like one entity. Okay, so group of atoms carrying a charge behaving like a one entity is known as polyatomic ion. Is known as polyatomic ion. So example, we can say hydroxide ion, OH. So here oxygen and hydrogen are combining to form this. And you can take example of carbonate ion. Okay, this is together called as carbonate, but it is a combination of carbon and oxygen. Next, sulfate ion, etc. So these are considered as polyatomic ions. Can you read what are polyatomic ions, Srivatsa?
Yeah.
Please read the definition.
Polyatomic, a group of atoms carrying a charge
Hmm.
behaving like non-entity is known as polyatomic ion. For
Hmm.
example, OH minus CO3 minus
Hmm.
SO4 2 minus,
Yeah.
etc.
Please read again.
OH CO2 SO4.
Hmm. No. Read the definition again. Read definition again. Group
A
of.
group of a group of atoms carrying a
Hmm.
charge behaving like one entity is known as polyatomic ion.
Hmm. Again. Group of.
A group of atoms carrying a charge behaving like one entity is known as polyatomic ion.
Hmm.
And then again, a group of atoms carrying a change are behaving like one entity
Hmm.
is known as polyatomic ion.
Polyatomic ion. Very good. Okay. Let's see one more question. Do you remember Dalton's atomic theory? Do you memorize that?
Which
Postulates of
one?
Dalton atomic theory?
Hmm.
No? So
Oh,
which
postulates of
Dalton's atomic theory? Postulates of Dalton's atomic theory is the result of the law of conservation mass. So we have studied like 4 to 5 postulates of Dalton. Among those Dalton postulates, which is the result of law of conservation of mass we have to tell. What is law of conservation of mass, Srivatsa?
law of conservation of mass.
Hmm?
So you're asking me the question. Law of
Yeah, yeah.
conservation.
What
When the
is law
mass
of cons- Yeah, yeah, please.
a definition, right?
Yeah, law of conservation of mass definition. Mass is neither.
That's one. Mass and neither. For mass can be neither. Sorry.
Created.
No. I'll tell. Mass can be neither created nor destroyed. I mean.
Yeah. So which postulates of Dalton is related to that postulate? We have to tell. So answer is going to be the postulate which is result of law of conservation of masses. Atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. So what is that postulate? Atoms are indivisible particles, right?
Hmm.
Like he told, who Dalton, which can neither be created nor
Destroyed
destroyed
in a chemical.
in a chemical reaction. Very good. Okay, so this is the postulate which is result of law of conservation of mass. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Next question is which postulate is related to law of definite proportions? Which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory can explain law of definite proportions? Okay, so what is the question? What is law of definite proportion? Srivatsa, do you remember this?
Yeah, the law of definite proportions.
Hmm?
Yes, I can remember.
Yeah, check your notes what we mentioned about law of definite proportions.
Oh, ma'am, this is the different notes.
It is in different notes. Okay. So according to law of definite proportions, like there are elements which exist in a definite proportions in a chemical substance. Like if you take water, in water, like two hydrogens, 2:1 is the ratio. Like there is a particular proportion of the elements in a chemical substance. That is law of definite proportions. So which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory can explain this law of definite proportion? It is relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. So we have seen one of the postulate is that atoms of same element are identical. So that is the postulate we can relate to the law of definite proportions. The relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. So this postulate explains law of definite proportions. So please read what is law of definite proportion. In a compound, the number and kind of atom are constant. So please read the two questions, Srivatsa. Please read two of them.
Which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory? Dalton's atomic theory result the law of conservation of mass.
Can you please read loudly?
So which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory is the result of the law of conservation of mass?
Hmm.
Atoms are invisible particles which can neither be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory can explain the law of definite proportions. The relative number and lanes of atoms are constant in a given compound. This postulate explains law of definite proportions.
Okay, read first question again. Which postulates?
which, which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory is the result of law of conservation of mass. Atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical
Please read again. Please repeat again. Atoms are?
So atoms are invisible particles which can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction.
Again?
Which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory is the result of law of conservation of mass. Atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. So which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory is the result of the law of conservation of mass. Atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction.
Okay.
So again I'll read which postulates less than which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory is the result of law of conservation of mass. Atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction.
Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, last question of this class. Define the atomic mass unit. Okay. So, Srivatsa, one more. We have completed this chapter. So please share the file which you need for the next class. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So define the atomic mass unit. So one atomic mass unit is equal to exactly 1/12 of the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. So this definition we have seen earlier also. What is the atomic mass unit? We consider atomic mass unit as 1/12 of mass of one carbon isotope. Which isotope? 12 isotope. Please read the question, Srivatsa.
So the question is one define the atomic mass unit. So one atomic mass unit is equal to exactly 1/12 of the mass of the atom of C12 isotope.
Yeah, again.
Define the atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is equal to exactly 1/12 of the mass of the atom of C12 isotope.
Okay. So which postulates of Dalton atomic theory is the result of law of conservation of mass?
So that which the Dalton's theory is equal
Yeah.
to the result of atomic mass.
Hmm.
So one atomic mass, man,
No. Which postulate of
is
Dalton
equal.
atomic theory is the result of law of conservation of mass? So which postulate?
Postulate.
Which postulate?
And
This one.
the
First
relative
question.
number of
First
so
question.
atoms
Which
of Atoms of indivisible particles which can neither be created nor destroyed. This is what you're saying. So
In
first
a
question
chemical
actually
reaction. Yeah.
in
So
a chemical reaction.
yeah. Which postulates of Dalton's atomic theory can explain law of definite proportions?
So atoms which are indivisible particles means which can neither be created nor can be destroyed in a chemical reaction.
Read next question.
Which postulate of the atom's atomic theory can explain law of definite proportions.
Hmm.
So the relative number of and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound.
Hmm.
So this postulate explains law of definite proportions.
Okay. Next question is why you cannot see atom with a naked eye? Why is it not possible to see an atom with naked eye? So why we cannot see atom,
Because
Srivatsa?
atom is just
Atom
because
is,
it's the smallest particle of matter.
yeah, very good, very good. Atom is like very, very small. Okay, as it is very small, it is not possible to see an atom with naked eye. So we can write atoms are very small. Okay, so
Mm.
they are smaller than anything actually. So nothing is smaller than that. So they are smaller than anything we can imagine. Anything we can imagine. Hence, it is not possible to see an atom with the naked eye. To see an atom with a naked eye. Okay? Yeah,
Yes.
please read this question. Why is it?
So why is it not possible to see an atom with the naked eyes? So
Hmm.
atoms are very small, they're smaller than anything we can imagine. Imagine, hence it is not able to see, it is not able to see an atom with the naked eye.
Yeah, please repeat.
Why is it not able to why is it not able to see an atom with the naked eye?
Hmm.
So atoms are very small, they're smaller than anything we can imagine, and it is not possible to see an atom with the naked eye until again without seeing. So why is it not possible to see an atom with the naked eyes? Which it's not possible to see. Why is it not possible to see an atom with the naked eyes? Because we cannot see an atom with the naked eye is because they're the smallest particles of matter, which they're very small in size. So
Hmm.
that's why we
Hmm.
cannot see them with our naked eyes.
Yes, very good. So let me know if you have questions in this class, Srivatsa. How do you feel? Do you feel confident in solving these questions?
Yes.
Yes. So I can see a lot of improvement in you. So
Good.
very good, Srivatsa. Okay, then we can see you tomorrow. Okay. So I'll be sharing this file.
Tomorrow is a new chapter, ma'am.
Yeah, sir. Please share the file. We can start new
Oh.
chapter.
Ma'am, everything is over, right, in this NCRT one for
Yeah, sir. Like,
atoms?
yeah. Mostly I completed all the concepts.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, Chitu. Thank you, ma'am. Good night, Chitu. Good night.
Good night, Srivatsa.
Yeah.
Sweet dreams. Bye.
Bye.